Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Apple ID and open Settings now. Once in your Apple ID, enable Find My iPhone and toggle Send Last Location so the phone reports its position before power loss. Make sure location services are active under privacy so GPS works. If you have family sharing, verify Share My Location is allowed. These first steps set permissions and services that let the phone communicate its position. Do them before attempting to locate a lost device. You now use the Find My app to actually locate the device. Open Find My, tap Devices, and select your iPhone. The map shows its last known location. If nearby, tap Play Sound to find it fast. If elsewhere, tap Directions to open Maps for navigation. For theft or loss, choose Mark as Lost to lock and display a contact number. If you're on a PC or Android, go to iCloud. Calm and sign in to access the same controls. Finish by securing the device and preparing recovery. If you can't retrieve it quickly, mark as Lost to lock and show a contact message so someone can return it. This suspends Apple Pay. Only erase iPhone if recovery is impossible, because erasing removes Find My and prevents tracking. If the device is offline, your requested actions, play sound, lock, erase, will take effect once it reconnects. If nothing happens, check iCloud status, confirm Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.